How to buy Nummus Aeternitas token. So this token came under the symbol of Nummus. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on about this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their community XD also. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. Now, to be able to buy this token, just scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, you'll be able to find contracts here. Now, as you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, click here to copy the token address, and now open your BITGET wallet for that. Now, after that, go to your wallet, and from the top right corner, make sure to select the Solana network. Now, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Now, make sure to read that warning here before going and buy this token on your wallet. Now, as you can see, you can now read all of that warning here, and you can now check this past also. Now, after that, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, after that, what you need to do, go back and make sure to search for your token that you just added called Nummus. After you find it, now click on it. Now click here on swap and make sure to switch it from here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and now you can type how much you want to buy. And now here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Nummus token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.